Every second, thousands of chickens begin a journey most people never see.
Nobody has ever seen what really happens in between. It may look like an ordinary farm, but every single chicken here is carefully monitored, weighed, and raised on a precise. Before sunrise, the entire farm comes alive. In just a short time, these chickens will begin a journey that transforms them into one of the world's most popular foods. Just a short drive later, the trucks arrive at a facility that processes thousands of chickens every single hour. Every chicken is handled through a carefully organized process designed to keep the production line moving safely and efficiently. From this point on, every second matters. In a surprisingly short time, the process changes completely. The live chickens you just saw are transformed into food products. Now the chicken reaches one of the fastest stages in the factory. Precision equipment portions thousands of pieces every hour. This is where the chicken starts to become the product millions of people recognize. But surprisingly, great fried chicken isn't just about frying, it's the preparation beforehand that makes the biggest difference. Now comes the step that gives fried chicken its signature crunch. Every piece must be coated evenly, because even a small mistake can change the final texture. This is the moment everything changes. In just a few minutes, the coated chicken develops the crispy, golden crust that people around the world instantly recognize. Fresh out of the fryer, the chicken can't be packed immediately. A controlled cooling system removes excess heat while helping the crispy coating stay crunchy instead of turning soggy. At first glance, this looks like nothing more than a giant spinning drum. But inside, as the marination process finishes, every piece carries a balanced layer of seasoning that prepares it for the next transformation. Now the transformation becomes visible. Every piece enters the coating line, where a carefully measured layer begins forming the fences. But this first layer isn't the one that creates the famous crunch. In fact, it's designed to help the next coating bond perfectly. Inside the coating system, every piece is gently turned from multiple angles, ensuring consistent coverage. Everything you've seen so far has been preparation. In the next stage, carefully controlled heat. This is the moment the entire factory has been building toward. Hidden behind walls of stainless steel is a machine that transforms thousands of pieces every hour.
Most people think hotter means better. Surprisingly, that's exactly what industrial food engineers try to avoid.
So how does the factory keep every batch consistent?
The answer lies in constant monitoring. Dozens of sensors continuously track conditions, allowing the system to make
Then, something unexpected happens. The production line deliberately slows, not because of a problem.
After passing through every inspection and preparation stage, the journey reaches its defining moment. While the chicken cooks, another system works in the background. Filters continuously circulate the cooking oil, helping maintain stable operating conditions throughout the production line. Just before the chicken leaves the fryer, the conveyor slows ever so slightly. It's a deliberate adjustment, giving every piece the signals. Fresh from the fryer, every piece begins releasing intense heat. The journey isn't over yet. Before packaging can even. Many people think the cooking process ends in the fryer. Surprisingly, cooling is just as important. Skipping or turns. Every piece passes beneath another set of electronic eyes. These systems inspect the product at high speed, With inspection complete, the production line separates and organizes the chicken for the next stage. Every movement is carefully.
Now the approved chicken enters one of the fastest stages in the entire factory. Every movement is perfectly timed, ensuring each package.
Every sealed package is immediately inspected. Even the tiniest sealing defect can shorten freshness. Advanced vision systems.
Every fried chicken packet receives a digital identity. If even one barcode can't be read, that packet won't move any farther. The rejection happens automatically.
Instead of handling one packet at a time, the system organizes several at once. This synchronized movement saves valuable seconds across. Powerful robotic arms take over with split-second precision. Each case is filled with the exact number of chicken packets. In seconds, each carton is securely sealed. A strong seal helps protect the products during shipping and storage. Before shipment, every carton is inspected one last time. The system confirms the seal, barcode, and carton integrity After passing every inspection, the cartons finally reach the shipping area. Robotic systems stack each carton in a precise pattern to keep Temperature control remains critical, even after the packaging is complete. Every shipment is carefully arranged to keep products secure throughout. What began as raw ingredients has become a perfectly packaged product through dozens of automated steps. Every stage. Within hours, these freshly packed chicken products arrive at distribution centers. Every carton is tracked to ensure it reaches the right solutions. In just a few hours, thousands of chicken pieces pass through dozens of automated processes. Every stage was carefully jimps. From carefully prepared chicken to perfectly sealed packaging, every detail matters. Precision, automation, and quality. Which part of the fried chicken factory surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoy discovering how everyday foods are made,